Hi, Whemenoc Alarms here, and today I am going to now plug in my fire alarm control panel. Last time I did this was years ago, and I blew up the panel, so I'm kind of scared right now. I looked at the diagram, but yeah, I hope I wired this the right way. Because of that, whatever the hell happened that day, well, I really don't want to make this mistake again. And this is a brand new I was about to say computer. And this is a brand new fire alarm control panel. So that's even more pressure. It's pressure either way. But this is a big moment, and I mean a very, very big moment for me. So let's get to it. My panel. And I'll show you the wiring and stuff once I get my keys. Alright, this is the right key. It's in the fire alarm key section, fire alarm control panel keys section. Alright. Is it in? Oh, there we go. And there it is. See, just like that. That is the batteries, which I don't have right now. So let's put this back in, and let's take it out. Okay, so by the way, yeah, I just got this today. So, oh boy, oh boy. My bad. I need to move this stuff. I haven't actually fully wired up my control panel, but I just got the power, so I'm gonna see if this works first. Okay. Oh, this one's coming out. No, I don't want to do that. Okay. Dude, no way. Nice. Okay. Now I have to open this and acknowledge the trouble. Oh crap. Okay, there we go. Alright, everything seems good. Yay! Yay! Oh my god, yes! Woo!